Psalms 18, verse 1 to 6. And what is my son? Verse not 1. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters.
He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake.
Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Will you prepare a table before me in the You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the land of the Lord forever.